If you are thinking about building a home gym, or maybe you already have one and you are ready to level it up, there is one piece of equipment that quietly makes or breaks every single workout, and that is your weight bench. You can have the fanciest power rack and the shiniest dumbbells, but if the bench underneath you wobbles or sits so high your feet dangle like a kid on a bar stool, none of that other gear matters. Today, I compared the 7 best adjustable weight benches you can buy right now, from ultra budget picks to absolute tanks built for serious powerlifting. I have links to everyone in the video description so you can check them out. Let's dive in. Starting with one of the most popular benches, the Flybird adjustable weight bench. It supports up to 800 pounds, which is seriously impressive at this price tier. You get a full range of positions from 90 degrees upright all the way down to negative 30 degrees decline, covering seated shoulder presses, multiple incline angles, flat and decline sit-ups. The backrest stretches 30 inches to support your entire torso. And here is the best part, this bench is fully foldable. When your workout is done, the entire thing collapses to about 30 inches tall, small enough to slide under a bed or tuck into a closet. It ships nearly fully assembled too, so setup is practically instant. The padding is on the softer side, which feels comfortable for lighter sessions, though for really heavy flat barbell work, you might notice a small gap between the seat and backrest that works better with incline movements. The bench sits slightly taller than competition height, so it is ideal for average to taller lifters who can plant their feet easily. If your priority is a bench that disappears when not in use and handles a wide variety of dumbbell exercises, the Flybird is a fantastic pick. Next is the Pasyou adjustable weight bench, even more compact and even more affordable. It handles up to 500 pounds and gives you 7 to 8 backrest angles from negative 25 degrees decline up to about 65 to 80 degrees incline plus flat. That covers a full body workout with plenty of variety. It uses a triangular base that virtually eliminates the side-to-side wobble that plagues most budget benches. The padding uses high-density expanded polyethylene foam that feels firmer and more supportive than many competitors at this tier. It is fully foldable too, collapsing quickly with sturdy locking pins for easy closet storage. The 29-inch backrest works great for most people, though taller lifters over 5'10" might want to keep that measurement in mind. Compared to the Flybird, you trade some load capacity for a lower price and better lateral stability. If you are a beginner focused on dumbbell routines in a small apartment, this bench punches way above its weight class. Now we step into serious territory with the Keppi Bench 1000 Pro. This one supports a massive 1,200 pounds, so you can load up a heavy barbell with complete confidence. 12 independent backrest angles and 3 independent seat angles let you dial in the exact lifting plane you need, covering flat, multiple precise incline settings, steep incline, and decline positions. If you are a bodybuilder trying to isolate the upper chest without recruiting too much front deltoid, this bench lets you find that perfect sweet spot that standard 5-position benches cannot reach. It includes a removable leg roller system with pads behind the knees and over the feet for decline work and weighted sit-ups, and the whole attachment unscrews if you prefer a clean flat press setup. Transport wheels and a front handle make repositioning easy. The screw-in alloy pin creates an incredibly rigid zero-wobble platform, amazing for heavy lifting. It takes a few extra seconds between angle changes, so it rewards lifters who settle into focused heavy sets rather than rapid supersets. For serious home gym owners who want commercial-grade stability, this is phenomenal. Speaking of speed, the Yoleo adjustable weight bench takes a different approach. A fast ladder catch lets you change angles with one hand in 2 seconds. The 880-pound model, which is the one I recommend, gives you 10 backrest positions, 3 seat positions, and 3 leg positions, covering flat multiple incline angles, decline, and a true 90-degree vertical setting. Many benches claim to go fully upright but stop around 80 degrees, sneaking upper chest into what should be pure deltoid work. The Yoleo fixes that completely. It also has a detachable headrest for taller lifters, and it is fully foldable, collapsing in roughly 10 seconds and saving up to 80% of floor space. Quick heads up, Yoleo sells multiple versions under the same name, so make sure you grab the 880-pound variant. The synthetic leather stays comfortable through most workouts, though having a towel nearby during intense sessions is always smart. Compared to the Keppi, you get much faster transitions and excellent foldable storage while still handling serious weight. Moving into premium territory, the Bowflex SelectTech 5.1S stowable bench supports up to 600 pounds and offers 6 positions: negative 20 degrees decline, flat, 30, 45, 60, and a full 90 degrees upright. That covers everything from decline core work to strict seated presses. It includes a 4-roll leg lockdown for secure decline exercises. At 60 pounds, it feels dense and planted, way more grounded than lighter models. The thick vinyl padding is sweat-resistant and cleans up beautifully. For storage, this bench tilts vertically onto its front axis with a button click, reducing its footprint by over 50% while standing upright in a corner like furniture. It looks genuinely premium in a finished basement or home office. Assembly can require a bit of patience since some bolts need careful alignment, but once set up, it is rock solid. One hidden gem is the independent seat pan tilt. When you incline the backrest, you can angle the seat up too, locking your hips and stopping you from sliding forward. Most benches at lower prices lack that feature entirely. For pure raw strength, the Pooboo weight bench is in a league of its own. Built from commercial-grade 70 by 50 mm square steel tubing, it supports a staggering 1,500 pounds. 8 backrest positions and 3 seat settings cover flat, multiple inclines, and decline, all adjusted through a C-shaped lock catch. Just push or pull the backrest with one hand and it clicks into the next position. No pins, no knobs, no threading. The pad measures 12.6 inches wide with 2.5 inches of dense foam. That width matters hugely. Budget benches often narrow to 9 or 10 inches, which can leave your shoulder blades less supported during heavy presses. The Pooboo gives you a full competition width platform for maximum stability. It arrives over 90% assembled. This is a sturdy, permanent gym centerpiece designed for a dedicated training space, and its rock-solid construction will outlast everything else in your garage gym. Finally, the finer form multifunctional FID weight bench handles up to 660 pounds and covers flat, incline, and decline as a standard bench. But it is secretly 5 pieces of equipment in one because it also transforms into a 45-degree Roman chair for back extensions and a preacher curl station. Imagine finishing incline dumbbell presses, adjusting a few pins, and immediately doing hyperextensions to decompress your lower back on the same bench. The front pad offers 11 height adjustments to fit any body size. At 38 pounds with a 60-inch triangular base, it stays planted even during intense movements. The front pad works best for average builds, while broader athletes might adjust positioning for extra comfort during longer sets. Buying a separate bench, Roman chair, and preacher station would cost several times more and take half your garage. So here is the breakdown. For maximum strength and heavy barbell work, the Pooboo with 1,500 pounds and competition width pad is unmatched. For bodybuilding precision, the Keppi 1000 Pro with 12 positions is a dream. For small spaces, the Yoleo folds in 10 seconds with a true 90-degree press, or the Bowflex tilts upright in a corner. On the tightest budget, the Pasyou delivers surprising stability with full foldability. And for the most versatile all-in-one station, the finer form with its Roman chair is the smartest buy. Every bench is linked in the description. If this helped you out, hit subscribe and I will see you in the next one.